This Chevrolet Sonic delivers a turbocharged gas I4 1.4 liter/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, engine, ECOTEC TURBO 1.4 liters variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI, 138 horsepower, 103 kilowatts, at 4,900 revolutions per minute, 148 pounds-to-foot of torque, 199.8 Nm. At 1,850 revolutions per minute/auto, 2,500 revolutions per minute/manual, wipers, front intermittent, variable. This Chevrolet Sonic comes equipped with these options: wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up and express down on all, wheels, 16, 40.6 centimeters, aluminum, replaced with, RS7, 17 painted aluminum wheels when an LPO wheel is ordered, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, covered, transmission, 6-speed automatic, traction control, tires, P205/55 R16 all-season, blackwall, replaced with, RKJ, 17 P205/50 R17 all-season blackwall tires when an LPO wheel is ordered, tire, T115/70 R16, blackwall, compact spare, tire pressure monitoring system, theft-deterrent system, content theft alarm. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.